I'm Annie at Club Wyndham Bonnet Creek in Orlando, Florida. Here talking with Becky Frazier, our general manager. We're going to talk about what your resorts are up to while you're away. What does a typical day look like for you right now?
You imagine 1,149 suites that need to be walked every single day, flushing toilets, running hot and cold water, closing curtains to make sure all energy efficiency is taking place. There's a lot to do.
How are high-touch areas being sanitized?
We are using a cleaning product that is hospital grade, virus killing, and recommended by the CDC guidelines.
How many hand washing stations are on property and how do they work?
We've added 7 hand washing stations placed around the pool areas. Those hand washing stations are really easy to use. You just pump with your foot, water comes out, you use the antibacterial soap, and there's even a little dispenser for paper towels for you to use.
What renovations are taking place here at Club Wyndham Bonnet Creek?
We're definitely taking advantage of this time to get the renovations done. The splash pad is exciting. We finally have an opportunity to take it down and do the renovations that are needed. You're going to come back to a pirate ship map with little pirate water squirting features. Your family's going to love it. The second one would be the bridge behind VC Pool. So we have a brand new bridge for you to feed the koi fish. The third one you'd probably never think of. It's all the asphalt work that has to happen here. 55% of the property has been done since there's no cars here.
What do you want owners to know about Bonnet Creek and the resort staff on site?
We miss you. We miss you filling up our pools. We miss you checking in. We're not a resort without our owners. We are eagerly waiting for your return. When we get to the other side of this, and we will get to the other side of this, we are going to be here to fulfill your vacation experiences.
As you can see, we've been hard at work while you're away. We can't wait to welcome you back to your resorts. Keep up with all the resort happenings at clubwyndham.com.